Hello everyone and welcome back. So in today's lesson I'll be showing you how to do addition and subtraction. This is very basic and it might be helpful for kids as they're at home in lockdown. So very simple and very basic. Addition. Addition is so easy. Adding, subtracting. You can use your fingers, or if you don't like using your fingers then you can use a number line. Whatever suits you. 3 plus 5. Here's the first example. So here I'm showing you guys with the number line. So first what I do is I put the 0 and the positive numbers on the side, on the right hand side, the positives, left hand side, the negatives. So 3 is on the positive as it is not a minus. So this is addition. Here I'm using a different color of marker so you guys get a better understanding. On the left, we're doing subtracting. So as you all may see, 3. Now we're gonna write 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So our answer is 8. Start counting from 5 to 6, 7, and 8. Just add 3 more numbers and you get your answer, and that is 8. I'm going to share another example. 4 plus 3. Let's draw a number line. So here we're gonna put 4, 5, 6, and 7. So our answer is 7. You just have to add 3 more numbers after the 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. So simple and so easy. Do tell me in the comments. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. And new to my channel, then subscribe. Let's share another example. So this time we're gonna do 8 plus and minus 5, which equals to 8 minus 5. For this one, we are going to do a number line. This time, we're gonna start from 0 and going from the minuses to the pluses. Gonna write 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So basically your answer is 3 because you're going from 8 minus 5. I use my fingers, so pick 8 fingers, take 5 away, you're left with 3. So simple. So our answer is a positive number, which is 3. Let's move on to subtraction. Subtracting, subtraction, you can say anything. It's just taking away, minus. So our example is 8 minus 3. We're gonna use a number line. Five, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 5. See, you're going, so use your fingers, 8. Take 8 fingers, take 3 away, so you're left with 5. Let's just move on to another example. 4 minus 9. Now, this might be a little tricky. So we're going to use a number line again. And from this one, we're going to start off from 0. And then from the minuses on towards the pluses. So basically, it's like -1, -2, -3, and so on. And then +1, +2, +3, +4. So addition is on the right without minuses, and with the minus it's on left. So -1, that's going on the left, 4, and then -5. So the answer is -5. So guys, this was today's lesson, just basics, and I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new, especially for kids and children's and beginners. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe and share my videos. Till then everyone, take care, bye bye.